let's introduce you the new HTC One M9. Okay, what has changed from M8? Yes. First of all, it's all aluminium, yeah. But of course, we try to keep it as a luxury piece of something which we keep from the morning till the end of the day. So we combined two materials, two colors. In this case, this is the silver and the gold one, and we combine it to achieve the best, I think, in our opinion, the best solution right now on the market. Let's go just a little bit deeper, okay? So we've got, of course, the 5-inch screen, the full HD. We've got Octa-Core processor. What else do we have? Of course, we've got enough space, 32 giga for gathering stuff here, and the extra slot for MicroSD cards, so up to 128 gigabytes, and the Google Drive storage cloud. Yeah? So it's fine. Maybe it's not the most important, but sometimes people ask for that. The second thing I suggest to talk about is the BoomSound, yes, how BoomSound increases, because we still keep the dual front speakers, and we also add one more thing. So it's a stereophonic, say, audiosphere, yes, because we cooperate right now with Dolby Audio. So we can choose when we play the music. We can choose the theater mode is of course internal speakers, but it's with audiosphere. And when we change for the normal stereo, this is normal stereo. So right now we've got surround system. And of course it appears for each music and video we are going to play. If I stop this for a second, I will show you, for example, the video. This is also Dolby, Audi Dolby. So okay, this is audio, yeah. And the third thing is for sure pictures. Yes, the cameras in this model. So front camera is the same like in HTC One M9. So it's ultra pixel camera with low light conditions. We've got a section here. You can check it. Yes, how it looks like. So it's the best camera from our last model. But the main camera is 20 megapixels with some new adjustments given by us. I will show you some extra possibilities to do with this new camera. Let's go back to gallery. Let's take, for example, selfie picture. Let's take the first one, and we can do a lot of things. We can also do things. So we can use this picture to personalize our phone. Yes, we can do all the changes. I will show you in a second how it looks like. But first of all, I want to focus on the edition. So if we want to edit a picture, we've got a lot of possibilities right now. We can, for example, choose double exposure. So we can use this picture and the second one, for example, let's take this one, and we can change. We can change both. We can add, move, or to replace also the positioning of pictures and create something artistic with these two pictures, those two pictures. But of course, it's just one thing. Let's take a look at the prismatic. So we can add the effect and then combine two pictures in one. we can use, of course, different effects, yes, to find the best effect for us.
Ladies and gentlemen, transfers are available to Pakistan.
See, we can do anything we want. Yeah. Of course, it's still the same if you want to, for example, make a face fusion, which we announced last year. But I think it's quite good to see. And if you choose, for example, the second picture or second face, and then we can adjust and change the picture anytime we want, and then we can save it as a photo, as a video. So go back to the personalization, yeah, because it's very important. Right now the phone recognizes where you are. Either you are at home, either you are at work. So right now you can choose some different localizations, then adjust them just to add the most important applications you use at work, for example at home, and then when you enter the home, automatically the phone will change for what you are using here the most. This is one thing. The second thing is, if you want to personalize your phone, you can choose one of the existing recommended themes. You can use, of course, the wallpapers. You can change icons either. You can change sounds. So it depends which themes you are taking. Of course, some of them are already prepared, but if you want to create your own, you can choose anything you want and change the phone like you wish. So I think this is right now the most important changes and the most important things we bring with new HTC One M9.